Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Candy Crush Saga for your Windows laptop, and this method works for both Windows 10 and 11. So you are going to type here on the search bar and then you are going to search for store. Then you will find here Microsoft Store. You just select it, and then after you open the application, in the search bar you are going to type Candy, and then you will find here Candy Crush. After that, as you can see, you will find different options for the games, so make sure to install official game, so you can choose the version that you want, for example this one. After you select it, you just click on get, and that's it. Once the installation is done, you can just open the game and play it as you want. And if you want to see it here in your desktop view, you can just click on the search for the game, right click on it, and then you can choose to create a shortcut for your desktop view, or you can pin the application to the taskbar and you will find it here next to those applications. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.